Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Railyatri Train Travel Assistant app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Railyatri is a travel app designed to make train journeys in India easier and more reliable. It provides real-time train tracking, PNR status, seat availability, and live station updates, all in one place. The app also allows users to book train tickets, order food during the journey, and check train schedules directly from their smartphones. It's available on both Android and iOS, serving as an all-in-one travel companion for anyone traveling by Indian Railways. The app's main feature is its live train status tracking, which helps users stay informed about arrival and departure times, delays, and platform changes. It also supports PNR prediction, seat confirmation chances, and meal delivery on the train through trusted vendors. The interface is simple, with useful options like fare calculation, nearby stations, and trip planning tools, helping travelers manage their entire journey from one app. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the accuracy of its live tracking, quick PNR updates, and useful journey insights. The food ordering feature and integration with bus and cab services make it even more convenient for multi-city trips. It also saves time by reducing the need to visit multiple railway inquiry sites. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional lag or incorrect status updates during network issues. The ticket booking process may redirect users to IRCTC for final payment, which can slightly slow down the experience. Additionally, a few premium features depend heavily on a stable internet connection and GPS accuracy. In summary, the Railyatri app may be worth using if you want an all-in-one platform for train tracking, ticket booking, and food delivery during travel. However, if you prefer only the official IRCTC app or face frequent internet issues, you might not find it essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.